Aloha, if you don't know me, my name is Talia. I am from Hawaii. I'm a Gen X, and for years, sorry about that. For years, I work a 9 to 5. I've even picked up extra shifts, right, just to stay afloat. And I thought I did everything right. I worked hard, stayed responsible, but I was tired. I was burnt out, always trading time for money. I wanted more income, but more than that, I wanted my time back. I tried side hustles that went nowhere, watched hours of content, and still stayed stuck. What finally clicked was learning how to sell digital products with structure, a system, and a clear plan instead of guessing. If you're here, you made a powerful decision. You didn't just scroll, you chose action. Academy 60M breaks everything down step by step. The mentor is the former teacher, so nothing feels confusing or out of place. You'll learn how to attract people instead of chasing them, how to earn income from home, and how to build multiple income streams using the MRR Plus model. Yes, you heard that. Inside, you'll learn how to create UGC content and land paid brand deals. You'll learn how to monetize YT, FB, IG, TT, you name it all. You'll learn how to do that. Man, you'll even learn how to do e-commerce with print on demand and drop shipping. You'll learn how to do offline business options, medical courier service, laundromats. Everybody needs laundromat in your town, right? Plus access to vendor partnerships. So I wanted to first of all welcome you to Academy 60M. Check your email for the Academy Playbook, and if you don't see it, make sure you check your spam or promotion folder, okay? I'm excited to see what you build next. Aloha.